Bird flu outbreak, causes and symptoms. Homework minutes. Hello students. Welcome to Homework Minutes. Do you know bird flu outbreak, in other words, is avian influenza? It is a viral infection that harms birds as well as humans and other animals also. Let us get to know more about it. Symptoms of bird flu. If you are suffering from H5N1, you may experience typical flu-like symptoms: muscle ache, sore throat, fever, diarrhea, breathing problems. Bird flu causes. In 1997, the first infection developed in Hong Kong. Bird flu outbreak was associated with grasping infected poultry. Risk factor of bird flu. You may have at significant risk if you are a poultry farmer, exposed to infected birds, who eats undercooked eggs and chicken, a healthcare workers who take care of an infected person. Treatment of bird flu. Most treatment occurs with antiviral medications such as zanamivir or oseltamivir to reduce the intensity of bird flu diseases. Prevention of bird flu. To prevent bird flu, doctors recommend the flu vaccine, so you can't get the human strain of influenza H5N1. Thanks for watching the video. Check the description for details. For more, follow www.homeworkminutes.com.